Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things you Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are, you're my everything. Say, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. Uya matinyina. Uya matinyina. Uya matinyina. Oh, uya matinyina. Yeah. So uya matinyina. Uya matinyina. Say, I call you Jireh, say. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are my everything. Yeah. Are you ready, everybody? All right, listen. We are me ground cover. 1, 2, 3. I can breathe without you, say. I can breathe without you. I can move without you, Lord. I can move without you. Hey, who am I without you? Who am I without you? Say, I can live without you, yeah. I can live without you. I can breathe without you, Lord. I can breathe without you. I can move without you, yeah. I can move without you. Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Hey, we are my thing now. So, oh yeah. Oh
Mema Obibia, good morning. Any akwaba eba ene yedwumedie so. Mejiri se baby biara wo wo ye. Na se wo ye de a mesre we ni die mo bomode a na twe breye. Bomode a na frɛ odofo bi adamfo bi se emena so. Se ba beka imrasem enti omon beka ye ho na mfa edwumedie no enhyehyɛ so. Mediani na manyeti ohye baby a na ofrɛ manyeti a meje so. Ene nso twede ampon adaroma wache ye nkwan de na odi ahokeka ade amaye say yemfa dwumedie embra yemre akọ na emom na sometimes no you can't get all that you want it to be into no not just say emena ekono ebe make sure say ebe make good use of kakra na eda ye nim no enti ebe kɔ ye nim tem ene meni agi soronko esan say mia me nipa me hu na chepa ye ene ne makwa akɔtwe na aba na ye ne no emba mbedi dwume na is no other person than our dear big brother ya ye nua bema ɔkyerɛkyerɛni ɔsan lawyer ni mapa ɛyɛ lawyer Charles Asma ene ono no makwa akɔtwe no de aba na yɛmfa adwumadie no nhyehyɛ so nti lawyer Charles me hu akyɛ yie megye de sɛ bibia ɛyɛ bɔkɔɔ wɔ hɔ no nti mɛmo akwanya na wonso de nkyia kɛseɛ de ama etiefoɔ na ahwɛfoɔ na afɛ de na adwumadie a da yɛnim no yɛde atoto so antem pacho adaroma
Yo na medase bebre etiefoɔ ne ahwɛfoɔ yɛmamo ache yɛmamo akwaba and so yɛbɛdi nkɔmmɔ na nkɔmmɔ ne hia pa nti it's a pleasure to come your way once again yɛbɛdi nkɔmmɔ na yɛbɛsua adeɛ. Thank you.
Yo, la Charles de na some tie na ye contempt sa na ye pɛ no se na ye bɛyɛ a emre na da yinim na ye bɛyɛ dodo na de gum. Yo, lawyer ye da se yenso ye ma wakɔ aba ye hu wakyɛ na na wa bɛka ye hu de na kyerɛ sɛ nsɛm de na da kwan mu na ye de betutu dwa na mmom ansa na ye bɛkɔ so saa no mesre ni de mu home office. When it comes to home office there omo de ade nsa na ade nchim bia na omo adwe no na dane nyoma bi na dane nyoma bi a enye se ye papem o bone mo ne nyina ne so omo do abetu dwa na ye a ye nso saa mra na omo de ba no ye hya ase no na kyerɛ ye nso ya da ye ho so enti ne mepa kan ne se ye can update maybe just within the week there has been some changes and I said some new things and I said bibia ye friend update aba system ne mo bibi sa wo ho a obetumi de etu dwa mai se bia san ni hanso a na yenko ye main topic ne so intem timpa pacha ayembia update bi wo ho a o se ye hu ana
Debi nti yɛbɛkɔ yɛ topic no so bibia ni ho a ɛyɛ agent.
Yo sa na ye no ene ye bekɔ yen topic no so na ansa na ye bekɔ so no mesram ani die mo me nua mema ne ma na aba so no mo insistent sharing no enko anim me nua Tiliduma me ma wa achia no pay me gidi se wo ho ye say hello lovely family Tilly, thank you so much wo de ye ba so a I say mframa no na afa wo hunimu na kyerɛ sɛ wa be land nti nyame enhira o ye je so ankasa saa so na wabobo de rosa de ama etiefo dodo na mo nhye maye na na agimai mete won kan chem gidi se wo ho ye Ezekiel Johnson bo ho to ye otan nyanu na na eto ahene ohene papa ye de nchia ema anope ye da se so so aba Kofi Nat backing Kofi backing mayor ye gidi se baby biara wo ye ho ye mo steady man wa mo share program na man saa so na Bernardo Wusu kum once we ma good morning anope abna ohenewa asentewa papa bi udin de me bopen ma sorry udin ya me dankasa nyame nhira se waba so pineapple ana pine ni lobe udin de bia me de twetwe me ho wa ha pinzoro se pinzo onso me gidi se ohun ye sa mo nhye na enkwachi chichichi maye onya ba so a na enkwachi ni noi bohu na ka oba no oyiradon mo amaba so nyina wo Facebook and YouTube nyina me sra mo ani de mo nhye na enko senia emre ne nkonti memfa ensi ha na afi yenko your main topic. When it comes to topics like this now honestly many GE because minim krano minim dodro over 300-400 people this particular topic no a common one kasankasa nti mesre say mo share no mo share keep on sharing go to your Facebook go to your YouTube click on the link sharing button no one say link be copy be when na copy and paste and I say link no I share link no say nkrofo be ye so so betimi mia so now we repost it on your timeline so na che say ko nenim uko to X and so betimi ayesa uko Instagram betimi ayesa saa nso na oba ka ne say TikTok nso a saa na obetumi aye ne sa say ye oba bia nti no mesrɛ mo na mo extend sharing no na nkɔ chichinchi this topic particular no meni agi hu yi ankasa producer mpacho obetumi de ato so de amamia na mentumi nka wasɛm kakra na afede mefrɛ ye lawyer papa na ɔno nso fa nkyerɛkyerɛmu na adesua a ɛwɔ mu no onfa embeto ho emfa maye any said then ye can say switching or extending your visa under the skilled worker route no na ye can skilled worker route no tama aban no ebie saa akwenyen e de tu mu ma saa skilled workers here eba kromu hai especially when it comes to carers ne de na and I say social carers ne de na me to me esimebo aka say me di mu akotene ankasa nti I know say enipa dodo na ewo sa care skill worker route so bebre was so ankasa na bebre ne was so no nso no akonya bi be da ho sa from the home office and I say from aban na eya na wo timopo say eye ne twemopɔ a eye say like bibi papenti na oye saa de no se na ebe benefit dodo na mmom esan say sebio yakoye nipa daseni bibi my adwin bia yenni bebi efiri aba fare yenti no eye na yama nneoma bi adi enim na afei say ye saa nneoma na di enim opportunity a ye de ama ye no behu ana saa opportunity no ahwere yen eni say nanse no going to abroad say ube employ skill workers especially care workers no aban nneoma bi abetwetwa mu konti aban de sanction atoso kakra enti no eno saa no eni ho biom na mom still skill workers no egum na egum no nso enam say nneoma bi a ye enti no dodo na ye mom saa akwanya anase ahoɔden a yɛfrɛ ne license to me na ɔmotumi de kɔyɛ saa no yɛagye ɔmonsɛm to me nyinaa ɛneɛ I can guarantee say over 1,000 care companies a yɛagye ɔmotumi saa tumi no ɛfiri ɔmonsɛm then ɛne sɛ yɛgye saa tumi no nso no ama dodoɔ no a ɔmotumi ɛkɔfa aba nyina obiara ho aka meka sɛ obiara ho aka na kyerɛ sɛ aba adwuma ko a ɔno afa wo sɛ bɛyɛ adwuma ma no na ahoɔden anase kotoku okita na ɔdetumi de bɛfa wo sɛ bɛyɛ adwuma ma no no yɛagye saa ahoɔden na efiri ne nsɛm na kyerɛ sɛ wo a ahoɔden na ekrakra na wo de wayɛ kotopɔ na kyerɛ sɛ wo no inni gyina so na mmom ene yɛba bɛka sɛ wo bɛ switch efiri saa nipa na wo ne nkyɛn no be switch saa care no be switch efiri so anase wo be extend visa no nneoma bi wɔ hɔ a ɔsɛ utumi editu akwemu ansa na home office for agyewatum montie ne yie otiefo na hwɛfo me se momfra nkrɔfo no mo betie saa ene topic no ehia nkasa a megide sɛ dodoɔ na benya ho mfasoɔ sɛ wo switch efi baby a tena bia ogina mu ɛwɔ care skill worker care skill worker route no so no na wo be free ase anase wo be extend visa because ye share saa program na ase 3 years 5 years no aba enti no dodo na time aso so omokɔ omonim omo extend omo visa eden na obeye afen so omo ayegye omo nsɛm tumi no nso no dodo na pese omo switch to another company anase even another care another skill work ase eno nso den na wo se wo ye eno na metu America edi akɔfrɛ lawyer Asma na ɔmbɛkyerɛkyerɛ yɛn nneɛma a ɔsɛ yɛn ne ade a ɔsɛ yehu ɛwɔ mmara no mu ne kwan so ne process ɛne ne consequences a ebetumi affect our application no ɛno na mpɛ sɛ yɛbɛdi ho adwuma enti mama me kasa ayɛ tenten na mmom mpɛ sɛ wotie ase bebi ogyina ɛne ade a yɛba abɛsua no sɛnea wobɛhu anamo a wobɛto ɛwɔ ho na ebedi ɛde aboa enti lawyer Charles mɛsa ato nsa ɛde afrɛ wo biom na wa ma yɛ nkyerɛkyerɛ no questions biara ɛdeda akwan mu biara no mesrɛ mebisa alongside na ama ayɛ interactive nso kakra enti no wadaroma switching or extending your visa care skilled worker route and as a router ebi mo beka no your rules know your rules the process and the consequences. Mpacho, wakoye lawyer teacher ni so ntina. Mejama na me church note na me so me bisa me question. To adaro ma mpacho cheche ye. Den na say ye.
Yo, etiefo ne ahwefo ene enkomo a yebedi no efa skilled workers tituru care. Nyentia ya limit me to care ni say skilled work no abroad. Your teachers for, your nurses for, your carpenters, construction, ne akeka ho nyina no. And the care asam na ye nkomo na yedi. You be say I was a person was switch it. And that's a person will extend here. Then I'm rano eka. Na then na process no etie. Na sa wo ya agi ade no na se ankoba na sa then ne betumi asi. Enti the rule, the process and the consequence. Switch no ye obi a oni care no mu dada na oba care no mu. Obi owo baby na o switch aba. Anasa obi a owo care no mu but different employer na oba employer for so. Extending ye obi a owo mu na wecha 5 years, wecha owo mu wecha 3 years, wecha 4 years, wecha 1 year, wecha 2 years. Na the visa no ebewu. Anasa ewu na or extend it with the same employer. Now, whatever it is, no, you say we are skilled worker under the care route or code mienu na ehia 6135 and next 6136. 6135 no general carers. Na 6136 no senior carers. Na yentia saa mieni eho akoba ekwehia se aban eni ekoho ne se krofo bebre omode saa ade we baaye no omo aye stranded ada se adwuma ni bi ni ho ana se adwuma ni ru a ya gene license efi ni nsem ana se nipa no baaye no kra no behu se o ade no kra no yes adwuma we de eye di nti me pefoforo na tibia no akwakobe se esese nipa no eye bribi. Nti yɛbɛhwɛ sɛnea mmara no ɛte na nsesa aba mmara no mu na ebesi ende no sɛ wowɔ care no mu anaasɛ wopɛ sɛ wobɛm nyoma bɛn na ɛsɛ sɛ wohu na sɛ woyɛ adeɛ nso a dɛn na ɛsɛ sɛ woyɛ na woyɛ wie nso a nsunsuasoɔ bɛn na ebetumi aba wo so sɛ ɛyɛ nsunsuasoɔ a ɛyɛ papa anaasɛ nsunsuasoɔ a ɛyɛ bɔne. That's the consequence. Yenim say aban esesa mmara no mu March 11th 2024. March 11th 2024 say wo mu a wontumi mfa obusuafo enka ho anasa afi na wo be mu a wontumi enti kase wo mu a na kese wo be mu a wontumi enti nya obusuafo asem na ye beka no ende de ye wo a wo mu no a anasa wo a opese wo be mu no wo asem na ye kan ana 2025 enso nsesae ebaye na nsesae ebaye no se woye obi a oye ejuma rura na wo fast skilled workers esese o make sure say saafo no a wo fa won ejuma no ye nkrofo a omo ejuma ho aba asem enti omo eni ejuma ni bi a omo pefoforo. Aban ehye se saafo no nyina no esese omo ne aban register. Enti wo register aban frɛ no pool. Ti wo di udin tu pool no mu a na aban de udin no spread udin no ama adwumayɛfo a omo pɛ nkrɔfo afa wɔn adwuma. Na sa adwumayɛfo no so aban ehye wɔn se wɔn so wɔn register se omo betumi afa nkrɔfo afi pool no mu. Enti na kyerɛ sɛ wo yɛ adwuma rura na wo ka adwuma na wo ma adwuma a na sɛ wo fa nkrɔfo adwuma mu a adwuma a enye obi a na obetumi afa no aye sɛ obi a yɛde na ato pool no mu no because saa nipa no na why stranded because obaaye no or the care ni bi na baaye nso adwuma ni bi ni hɔ Tibia ya ma no ebreso onko fie 60 days no. Nti se wa we adwuma no wura no wantumi an register with the pool from regional hub. Se wantumi an register with regional hub, na je se wantumi recruit because priority no saafo no. Nti imagine say we recruit na aban ahye say we recruit a we na say we recruit no. Na when recruit sa nimpa no, na je say wo nipa no a we afa na adwuma mu no a wan fa sa process no mu no, wo de no kra to asem mu. Nti nya emra no akoba ne say wo ye adwuma wo kan mu dada. Wo ye adwuma wo kan mu dada. Wotumi etoaso na sa wo toaso a ayefa no extension no a wadwuma no wura no na say omawo adwuma na otoaso emawo na oje new sponsorship certificate and say a new one a wo de be ye visa application. Obi omu a company na one ne buy na adwuma no bi ni ho and say amana 60 days nti ope adwuma foforo. Sa hono na yesi SSC wo register with the pool. Ana na adwuma no wura no so wa register with the pool. Pool ni na ne say wa register say obi pe adwuma obi pe workers are available because we are stranded into me fan no adwuma mu. Na wo fa adwuma ofa obi ewe adwuma mu no so no. You can say pool registration as a regional hub registration. What register say? So wo fa nkrofo a aban ama wo sa tumi a obetumi afa sa nkrofo no ma stranded no. Untumi mfa obia. Se wo a wo kopa adwuma no ebia na unika ni mu dada. Unika ni mu dada. Se bia wo ye student afi na we wie na wo kwa kan mu anasa wo kuta visa foforo afi na wo kwa kan mu a let us say wo switch abasa ka adwuma no mu saafo no emra ne say esasa wo ni adwuma no aye adwuma 3 months before obeye wo application no anasa wo benya wo COS no woni o maye adwuma 3 months na esasa wo ye wo application so by 22nd of July 2025 before actually that's the word before 22nd of July 2025 let us say so when you COS na wo your application na wonni ka ni mu dada na wonni pool no mu a as I say we make sure say adwuma no woni na omo aye adwuma ewura no woni omo aye adwuma 3 months before we benya wo COS na when you COS so the application no atumu before 22nd of July 2025 eba na just say ne ye di nkomo ya na date 12 of September 2025 yi untumi enkosa wo ko switch aye visa application under skilled worker care aye ende way because ende is after 22nd of July 2025 to the application to mu a you be refuse nti mo hwa no so say so wo switch abake na woni adwuma no aye adwuma no ru aye adwuma 3 months na afi na ye de COS amawo a menua COS no emfaso bia eni so because untumi ye wa application no before 22nd of July 2025 let us say why you late to the tumu a e be refuse no mo kotu imrane say the rule said that after working with the employer for at least 3 months you should put in your application before 22nd of July. Your application was submitted on the 12th of September 2025. Therefore, your application falls for refusal. Now you refuse so. Into mama yensha no so. Ana se ejuma no so wona mo aye ejuma 3 months. With the application no call before 22nd of July 2025. But ejuma ni wura no on register with the pool and that's a regional consortium or the hub no a wotumi recruit wo a na kire say wo fa back door. Nti sɛ wofa back door a application nso yɛbɛ refuse. Ma yɛnhyɛ no so.
Lawyers man pacho we de asɛm no mo ofam kakra. Mienu na wabobɔ so no nyinaa no. Ehia nkyerɛkyerɛmu kakra biom. Ne edi kan na yɛbɛtoa so but ne edi kan no sɛ wo ne company no ayɛ adwuma na mmom wama o COS afi no wama o COS na wentumi apply COS no before 22nd July no sɛ wode kɔtom sisi a yɛbɛ refuse you but saa na ɛteɛ
saa ɛna ɛteɛ mmara no say mmara no say yɛwɔ nkurɔfoɔ mmienu
yes
na ɛne Charles na ɛde kaa ni bi na ɛbaayɛ akyɛ before nsesaeɛ no baayɛ na adwuma wura ɛnni adwuma nti aban ama ne 60 days
yes
ɛna ɔde kɔpɛ adwuma na ayɛ lucky ɛnya adwuma bi nanso na ano ankasa register with aban sɛ wayɛ stranded
okay
adwuma no a ɔma na adwuma no so register with aban sɛ ɔwɔ tumi sɛ ɔbɛfa stranded people.
Okay.
Even though na enya adwuma a wama ne COS no. Miss systems no bi. Application no kwa e baby say me say yes. Na wo mu dada. Nti wo de wo hia 3 months no. Na mbom e pay your adwuma yi. Tumi ban e oduma wo sa adwuma no. Na wo nso a wo kwaje adwuma yi. Akwenya ban na wo a wo fa so. Aban can say register to the pool so that we can identify nkurɔfoɔ a ɔmo hia adwuma. Wo de wa fa wodi amba. Nso wo si we kwenye adwuma ne bi. Na kyerɛ sɛ wo fa back door.
Back door. Okay. I feel na first one. Yeah, first category.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, first category. Second category, Charles. Charles, or your student in a way school. Owie ye no, owie somewhere April 2025.
Okay.
Owie ye no ya me adom onya adwuma. And adwuma na ka kira ne say on start because mmara ne say as I say we adwuma 3 months.
3 months answer.
What the COS now then akoto for application. And that's how the amano. Into your adwuma April, May, June. But COS no eche Inti the second no 23rd of July 2025.
Yes.
Why adwuma 3 months? But COS no the second no 23rd of July 2025.
Yes.
The second year no den application to mu. Mrana say so why adwuma 3 months another one na as I say we take in say what the application out to mu before
22nd.
Application to mu 23rd of July. Why late? And that's on year late.
Why late?
You don't refuse no, and I say the be man.
You be refuse no. It's answer why late.
I don't think you be refuse no.
Because imrani ye 22nd of July. Fatum before and already atum after. Ain't no. You be refuse no.
Even though you COS no before, if you are no nisika into one ventum because COS no we are 3 months.
Yes.
So it will expire in 3 months. Into actually no bobo no ho agada ni
no
no. If are no copy English, if you are no copy sika o de betua. Into no dey na dey say me 3 months I may use COS no.
No correct.
If no ho no na abo 12 midnight 22nd
Uh-huh.
of July.
July. Not just a time.
Asa mmerɛ no awe no. Santi even though COS no enwuye, but application no apa
Yeah, refuse, you know.
you be refuse no.
Mm.
And the next one here, the same person
Mm-hmm.
onya work 3 months.
Mm-hmm.
Onya COS no na the application no to 21st of July 2025.
Mm-hmm.
Nti wo hwe no wa pass 3 months.
Mm-hmm.
Wa pass before 22nd because of the application no.
Yeah.
But the shishe
On
mu ye hu say
fun.
the shishe mu ye hu say employer no enye
And registered.
authorized to recruit. Because the
Okay.
employer must only recruit from people who are stranded.
That's correct.
People
Mm-hmm.
we are stranded because only 60 days, but per se or converted to another employer.
Ah.
The employer no so as I said, we should make sure say before we first sign power we know.
Mm-hmm.
What consider say obi a why stranded e wo ho anase oni ho.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
It is one consider obi a stranded. Now we fa obi a onye stranded what to
Mm-hmm.
no.
That's right. Wow.
It's a punishment, emma for
Mm.
you, the employer, a beko
But,
applicant, no so.
oh, yeah.
The applicant, you may be so say, we have checked,
Mm-hmm.
and your employer does not have any record of recruiting you
Mm-hmm.
ahead of recruiting you after
Mm-hmm.
checking for those who are stranded.
Mm.
And because the employer recruited you
Mm-hmm.
without checking for those who are stranded,
Mm-hmm.
the employer did not follow the process. Under
Process.
the circumstance.
Let's just say what tumra.
Not just one jumping process, in the favor of to win your baby.
Hey, you refuse so na COS na say.
To say, I mean, you can say application be a de call ye. All the quarter of the country employer and said, this is the rule to make sure that you have registered. Also, will be a fine. Let me say, one register, nimpa no a wo fa na adwuma mu no, ono na asam beto no. O si be a fine. Let me see you. Last week, Romucho me said, the application has delayed. We have done the checks, and we realized that even though your employer said that they did not find anybody in the pool before, we have no evidence that the employer did any check
Process.
or
Check.
so they should bring evidence. Extra say, one, they are registered, and two, they carried out priority checks to recruit people who are already stranded before you.
Whoa. Enti na ye refuse bi mu no. I see. Enti eno sa no so when to me amfa these two evidences now nkwa na che say the application is bound to be refused. Applicant no ye be refuse no.
So now let's relate it to the criteria for and then common ye no and then a marking scheme. Na ye marking sa nimpa way. Na ye conclude say what will be the consequence. We are looking at the law, which is the rule, the process to be followed, and the consequence or the outcome. Rule is say work with them for 3 months if you are not already in the care sector. Work with them for 3 months. Get a COS and apply before 22nd of July 2025. And make sure that the employer itself had authorization to recruit you outside those who are stranded. So now that is the rule. Let's look at the process. The process nipa to follow one or you 3 months. So that is the process. Follow. Two, on your COS. And now audit to move before 22nd of July 2025. Another process followed. However, you who say employer no one register in the pool to be able to recruit people who are stranded. To saa nimpa we or outside the pool. Into process no employer name follow meboa.
When follow.
So what will be the consequence? Will it be positive outcome or negative outcome?
When Rebecca say we leave it to the viewers to say. Definitely the outcome is going to be refusal because
Good.
on unfollowed due process now.
Very good. A tick
Mm,
box exercise. A,
mm,
B, and
yeah.
C. Who miss B, they will not give you C.
Mm. Hey, asɛm no sɛ ɛmo ɔden saa
And
ɛnti
now
na
be sorry, that would be some question be say, a best COS no. I say,
asɛe ana yes.
COS they use no once. And
Once pɛ.
that's number one. Number two,
Mhm,
COS no has been issued after the process.
mm,
Meanwhile, employer no can follow process no. So what is the
mm.
use of the COS?
Nti no na kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ void koraa. Lawyers ma asɛm wei deɛ ɛmo ɔfam na sɛnea ɛteɛ no ɛbɛma nkurɔfo bebree ho aka. I think sɛ well, I mean, on my behalf, me minim ni say na tie, ɛna nkrɔfo bebree bisa sɛ ɔmo akonya COS na. Ɛyɛ na yɛndwene sɛ there is actually something like the rules and the process and the consequences. Yeah, yɛnim sɛ o, yɛama o 60 days nko na wakonya company bi na ɔsi o metumi ama o COS no na ogyina o yɛ na kyerɛ sɛ biribiara da okay. Not knowing say this ABC no need to be followed and needed to be followed into no one follower nature say refuse an idiot na automatic last man yati ase na say mbia who as a can say applicant no wo de wodin ekoto pool ni mu edwuma no nso wode ne yɛ edwuma no nso mɛfa no sɛ 3 months mpo ebia woda pool ne mu dada ɛna saa company no nso wode no akɔyɛ edwuma 3 months ana I don't think that can be possible because sɛ woda pool ne mu ana kyerɛ sɛ ama wo 60 days to leave anaasɛ ama wo letter na wode wo ho akɔhyɛ saa pool ne mu nti na kyerɛ sɛ the new company na one ne ba bɛyɛ adwuma no afei na ɔno wokɔ hɔ nti ɔno no definitely one ne nyɛ adwuma 3 months 60 days no ɛyɛ just 2 months nti one ne yɛ adwuma 3 months na kyerɛ sɛ woyɛ dɛn a mmara no ɛbɛwe na yɛmfa ne sɛ
Ɔmo yɛ different.
ɔmo no yɛ different ɔmo a yɛama mo 60 days no
Ɔmo wɔ mu dada no different from obi a afi na ɔba mu. Obi a afi na ɔba mu no yɛ obi a for example wɔwie school ɛna wɔnya na in care. Anaasɛ na ɔda 2.5 so. Care company bi na ɔyɛ adwuma. Na ɔsɛ ɛna yɛ ma wo COS. Na ɔsɛ ɛna saa deɛ a me 2.5 as a family and come to the skilled worker.
Sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a ɔbɛnya.
Afi na ɔba mu.
Okay.
So we have two categories. Obi a afi na ɔba mu ɛne yɛ switch for no. Or switch from somewhere. And that's or switch employer from within the care. Nti na kyerɛ sɛ ɔno ɔyɛ stranded.
Okay. Nti ɔno saa no na ɔsɛ ɔyɛ adwuma 3 months with the company no. Ansa na company na ma no saa license no sɛ ɔbɛfa no.
Afoɔ no ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ adwuma 3 months. Na ɔmo yɛ ɔmo application before 22nd of July.
Oh, okay.
Good.
Afei na nneɛma no bi meti ase. Nti sɛ memfa no mpatwɔ me bo. Memfa no nti sɛ obi a ɔyɛ dependent. Na ɔno no ɔyɛ dependent no nti no ɔno tumi yɛ adwuma bia but mbia ɔbaeɛ no care na ɔno nso yɛ sɛ ɔɔyɛ. Ɛna akɔba ne sɛ ɔno ne main applicant no yama ne 60 days. Nti yama ne 60 days or definitely ɔno nso so ne ho aka ono nso benya 60 days ni bi. Enti se ono pese o switch from baby a depend na ne gina bia no no nso konya COS. Mbia ono nso benya me applicant na se bibia. Na se ono no also on this company no eye adwuma 3 months ansa wetumi issue no. Aha.
Switch from dependent
Okay.
as a skilled worker to
To a
skilled
skill
worker main applicant.
Okay, I feel na edaho emudaho mami. Yo, na say what about minim say ne canon particularly no is yenka say limited to care for onkwa because skill worker like you say no is broad, but I had for the benefit of today's program yeah no say a care for I mean for the purpose of today's program a care for ain't no me to me nine back step behind say me a teacher ni na me a teachers and so a skill work na say me fi care work na bia ma me sa 2 months ni bi ain't me fi care ni mo e de akọ teaching no so switching. Would this rule no applies to me Anna?
Nti say your care sector, you're limiting conversation to the care.
Okay.
6135, 6136.
6, okay.
And when an issue,
Uh,
when a restriction,
okay.
other categories, we are not talking about it because a one issue.
Issue. All right. Okay.
And we shall other categories, your entire 60 days. Other categories, your pool beer,
okay.
Care sector, no. And issue akoba aban aye restrictions bebre ewo ho say empo se okofa obi na wa ye adwuma ma o care no mu a making sure say wa register say you can recruit people.
Okay.
And because say you want crofo bebre o ho a omu pe care adwuma no nti untumi nkofa obi a onni care no mu dada e ma na adwuma.
All right.
Why say who employer you must register with the regional hub of of recruiters or pool of recruiters, so we have pool of let's call stranded workers
within
and a pool of recruiters.
Mm-hmm.
So the government is matching the stranded workers to
the pool. Okay.
And it's a way employer no one register to recruit you are. Now we trafa ho kofa obi wo baby a watumra.
What they say, very atumra.
Nti saa nimpa no a wakofa no you be refuse the visa no. Na ya ka kira ne say the employer should have selected
from the
pool, not from outside.
Now, pool no any regional basis no. Me one question, if I mean bisa we answer any regional basis no. Or say share from the region now or no ukosa hub no and now you can extend to different hub to do as the recruiter no. Na and also we in fact consequences be a ember. The fact that said nipa no register in any of these regional pools, no, you can go and pick. Maybe I will share the profile, no. When say
but I'm going to relate it to you.
Okay.
You are a lecturer at your place.
Yeah.
Baby, I will hear you na watch nkwala na ade no. Every day the nkwala ba we hear teachers.
Yes.
So you have even more students to teach. Will you bypass those students and go and teach people in Afghanistan?
Last one, when you put in that way in there, I'm asking. It's if excuse me. When you put in that way in there, yes, Matthias, yeah, of course. But say I'm matching a profile and wouldn't say yes.
That is why I'm relating it to this practical bit.
Exactly.
Let's talk about the theory. Let's make it practical. Yes, see, which I do a landing, teach students in London.
London, yeah.
There are a lot of people in London who need teachers. So try there on London. Now we say, me who say for Birmingham or we hear teachers into me perform we control my dear.
Yeah.
Please stick to where you are.
Yes. It's for nation for asem no a more from na we were say a good news and your good news in a way say 50-50 because if you don't follow the due process now you are bound to be refused unless in be a bibi and a besimu and we can use that emfanka ain't you know asem asem lawyer Charles. Okay, yɛmfa ne sɛ afei ɛna wo ho aka mbia all this while your company has been working all right, there hasn't been any problem, but just this month here you remember what is say o company no ne ho aka na unim say definitely ne ho aka ne de 60 days later be eda wenim a wo expect say beba because company on ne edwuma currently no ono nso ne ho aka na ne ho aka na ya agi ne way na wunya letter no. Can you still go ahead and put your name in this pool for future purposes? MBA na because we company na catch say agi ne license, but home office for entro say wono ya ma 60 days to vamoose from this country and I say ko enti no eno sa no ubetumi de udin akwa akotupu ni mu ana may try say nka mehu the kind of questions they ask within the pool no say nka may relate some of my questions there but me nyen ehun nti me generic say ne be at least it can fall into some of these questions na e wo so no mpacha ubetumi aye ne sa.
Right, that's a good one. I'm going to relate it again so that we can laugh and learn.
Okay.
You know, when we are going for 100 meters,
Yeah.
you say, on your marks, get set. Obi omwa, you can get set now, no, I start you call. What happens?
You blow foreign scar, people are disqualified.
Because we jumping gun on the boy. Now, you may be so say, why are you going? You haven't heard the whistle. Why are you going? Or you haven't heard the... Now, let's relate it back to our story. The rule is this. When the company or the employer uses a license, the worker will be notified and be given time to look for alternative.
Yeah.
So the question is, have you been given time to look for alternative? Or you are jumping the gun to look for alternative?
You've been notified, given time to, but your amount 60 days to go.
No, but if you haven't been given the 60 days, then you haven't been notified. The employer might have told you, but Home Office hasn't told you anything.
Say mehu ebi mu a ya mom first letter bia. It doesn't say omonko without 60 days. But
what did the letter say?
Oh, I wish I can get the example now. But I read one Home Office I notify almost say omo employer no aka sort of. And they are notifying them, but they've not given them the 60 days to go yet. So monko
So the key word is notice.
Okay.
So this person has received notice.
Noticed, okay.
So they are going to be potentially at risk.
Exactly.
Already on him said this is what is happening, and the Home Office has told them, so they have to register into the pool. Because all they will ask is, have you received the letter? Have you received the letter?
The letter.
So then, with that letter, they can confirm that yes, I've received a letter from the Home Office that my company XYZ, and so I am now looking for a job. So and now the reason for registering with into the pool is for the government to signpost you to employers.
To employees, okay.
Potential employers. So if you are not registered into the pool, they
There's
cannot
no match
and
you.
because you are likely to be stranded, because they've told you that the company has lost the license or they are in investigation or whatever, then you are qualified to register into the pool. Yes.
Okay. Menya nkrofo bebre honestly, omo register no menya omenya COS from these omenya companies I recruit. Minim I know about 6 of them. Omode omodin koto so no omenya ye can say COS asisi anyame adom omaya ma omonso omoye adwuma ewo these companies. Nti yes. But ebi wonso didin koto ho da omonte hwe. Na lawyer Charles me bisa me last question na afi me be telephone lines ne mate for. Se wo de akoto se ama o 60 days no de udi na akoto ho. Na wahwa pull recruiter bia empuli you out so be ma wadwuma na o 60 days na so a obey den eno ne first question na afenso 60 days ne so ye kra ansa na empo no unya another employer to pull you out to offer you a job mpacho two categories would they still refuse you ana?
Right. So, if we can clarify the question, please. I beg your pardon on that.
Yes, make first one no yɛde yɛka ne sɛn wo din ɛkɔto yɛma o 60 days no ɛna wode wo din kɔtoo so wode wo din kɔtoo so no woatwa 60 days no sɛsi a ɛtwa mu a woanyɛ adwuma no wonina mu 60 days na apɛ mu but wonina mu yɛnte wo nka ɛna wo nso a sɛsi a no 60 days ne pɛ mu ansa na wonya obi atwe wo sɛ wo mɛma wo adwuma na mɛma wo sponsor wo nso a 60 days na atwa mu dada. Enti wo the application ne koto ma 60 days na atwa mu asisi a wabɛyɛ wonni hwe a wogina so bia no wobetumi ayɛ application a yen refuse so ana so yɛ be refuse so.
No, 60 days no chum to want to me.
Don't to me your application.
I'm refuse. So you are an overstayer and you cannot switch or make a new application to renew or to extend or to switch whilst you are in this case to renew the visa no and now what done. The 60 days simply is telling you your new expiry date. So if you don't use it and the date passes, that is it. You are an overstayer. Overstayers cannot apply under skilled work provisions.
Hey. Yo, ene so mo na mu ani etie for na hwefo. Eya reho na nso nhihye ye nhihye obi say the law is the law. Senior home office dey ato ho no na chese ono mo de omo nka ansem ensa ndane omachi omo dane omachi kra na chese omo de yemra foforo na when it comes to being overstay ni dia ene we den ara obeka se tise wo kofi and na se tise bibi ato eno na ebimo eno nso ehu kwan foforo bi se ene sene tie bia kan ne kan oyo ba kan ne kan ne mewo na mikunu no me bomode ase mikunu no owo ginabia na chese mikunu no ede me ba no abata me ho se oyo oba nso a na obema nso a ono nso se Mrs. Dede se atwemu se mekofie pa me ne ginaso bia no menko ene se ne tie bia memo wode ahye oba nyensen no oba nyensen na me hye no no na chese oba no nso gina yie na chese me hye ne nyensen na owo de a me nso metumi egina akwala no so ede aye we nyina ye possible na nso ne nyina ho hyehyɛ ɛda ho enye ne trasa ne nyina mu nhyehyɛ ɛda ho so obenya obi sa enti no still ebubu na nso no enye ekotopo chese ni da so nkitinkiti bi hyehyɛ baabi a if you are able to play your cards well and then you follow the guidelines of and advice of some of these programs na obetumi enyina baabi ejina na wonso odi ato anamo enti sisi a no mabie telephone lines no like Charles medase bebre ne ncheche etiefo se afe no abeto ya ye ka switching or extending as a skill worker no skill worker care route no so any can under care skill worker route know the rules the process and the consequences in a onya victim now unim say when age wakonya visa a sponsor and a COS now akotum etia ho eka nyina na afi ya bounce e the amount no enya wodesa so na some of them no me hu se bi mu so emama some of the COS ni bia eno no enye sa six figures na lawyer Charles eboboy no enye bi eno enye eno ho asem na ene ye kan ye but a different thing purposely for this type of education. It's the mesro sisi and maybe telephone lines no. It's say yeah system no still we are working on it no, and then yeah the one line na pet nebe edwuma. You can call it on main call, you can call it on WhatsApp ni nyina no ye betumi eyi ano e the amount 075 966 154 our board ne so 075 966 154. Menua Bema Loco Solomon okay or say, can we know how to register into the pool? Oh, pooling, yeah, can, but mbia unimunenti lawyer Charles. Obisi, a better or non so register into the pool.
Right. Yo, na o ho asam kakra ka. Kofo na oni omo edi. Yeah.
Where one from Patrodina so 1 second, mammy. Eye pool no uko government site ne so I think say e wo ho no straightforward process enye way just me ankasa questions na wo ho na me can say me study the type of questions, but when you go to the government dot gov no gov.uk gov.uk now registering into the care worker hub na say pool na process ne wo you just type it straight away be eno abepi na wa follow process ne say as simple as that. Enti yenya color ba ko e wa homa ne so mpacho do for so wo kasa frame mpacho me ente wonka
Yo, but because I free Norwich, I'll pay me the and she has some come on it lawyer you my pa when you're the boy. Now me question ye say me year in a wahasi kata so when you me part time not almost 3 years.
Mpacho sorry phrase to question.
Hold on. Hold on. Director,
Lawyer me opa.
So we hear it. Obi oya we hear there. And as nipa ya we hear it. And I said nti oya wo mpena and as oya we hear it. Me hu ye.
Oya me mpena.
O mpena. Nti wonne wo mpena na atena how many years?
3 years ni.
That is it. Untime mess no. Yes how we mbe hwie why?
Lawyer mate me da se ne correction
Okay.
Na me question here about bem me no yawo oba akra no nyame adom ya register akra no e wo cancel Hertfordshire but me ni asetena e wo UK ha oba ne mom ne wa asetena na odo na asetena ne 10 years route or under private life so or 10 years route na me busa lawyer say is it any way and I say be omo na ya lawyer for a kwan bi wo honom obetimi aboa ya me ya application say me ni asetena na me yere mom and I got 10 years I kind of 1.5 years no akwanya bi wo honom say ebetimi ya application ma ban akwensida me say the be ya me betimi nya asetena ye adwuma de ahwa akora
Right. Director, it is saying
lawyer me ho ya pa
yo yem break you ade no we yere or 2.5 and so what the umpena no or 2.5 and so or then
Pastor, 2.5 or 10 now wako 8
ojina wan so
ojina ne papa so ne papa no ne papa ni private life nti ojina ne papa de no so na odinya bi kofa ni fifie by
really how sure
na ne papa ne maame ne wa ha ne maame ne de wo indefinite na ne papa no so the private life ne enya setena wa ha nti omi no mo abom na
person me hu say oba na we hia no on the 2.5 no de wo krom ha na sa 2.5
or could we have to have but 10 years route ni bia
and also ojina omokofa ne fi
Ghana
na bae
Pastor
asam no bia woni story no yie ise wo kubisemu na frɛ na ye ni nkomo because na wo ka no ensisi so mame
okay but sanity I don't know
it doesn't make sense to me because usually no say you kofa wo fi efie eba sa akwala Woman men no anasa papa no akofa wa aba no depend on the circumstance no. Let's even assume say sanet here. Ono no onyan ne de awie ye. Senka ogina ne ba so na ne ba no ye British akwala na wo ne na aware de a akwala na ba ye wa ba no ma. To betumi agina wa ba no ma no so age wo de. But ono no a ogina oda omame so no ompem ye. Afi na o train so bedu
10
indefinite level.
years.
Onti ono nkra no hu no ho ano ye. Obeda na ode bi abema wo. Ndi saa na wo hwa ne de be ye din se ono betumi akonsider wo at this stage. Tina make say bia na bibi wo ho a wonim. Besanka utumi biebie so a. Nti wo pa wo betumi arrange ne wo ne oba ne nyina ye di nkomo later for consultation. Ne yetumi ehu ne ewom, ye bi so oba no so more questions. Ne ya cha ase ye ne ehu bebi a ye de ekwan no ebeto ama wo. Why?
Okay, lawyer, but that was a
Yes, so yeah, that's it. Pacho share program no mama why. O voice your familiar mama pa so me to me figure who you are now. Enti pacho yeah mama why?
Martin.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Miniaba.
Good morning. Pacho mayente wonka. Oka se free.
Because I free hard for shares for BS, the same place we are.
Okay.
All right. Pacho, me concern no yes, me Obia me hearing a dim by 2.5 maybe. Partner. Now,
Pacho who am hold on one na my 8929 Pacho mute we no ma me wi amemo akasa why? Yeah, Pacho koso.
Okay, the American is me the partner route 2.5 ni Now, I feel
still on mute no. Hold on 1 second. So when mute na mama feedback wa ha nti na me okay, thank you. Why? Koso yet you.
You see me create partner route 2.5 no be. Now I feel I'm a first renewal I drew.
Okay.
And my application, I'm a TLS4 I send me a friend is saying emails. I'm on a book for biometrics,
Okay.
The concern and is my juma for a put pressure on me so almost here proof of application.
Oh.
Which must send the TLS4 letter on with their mammy through the email me also application ID also a friend is saying me route which is spousal route also and appointment date also almost any proof of application. I just say a quite me fast
now we your application no home office amount letter bia for say omonsa kan application as a baby.
Me application and the next stage I'm they call for a friend appointment for biometrics and almost send the TLS sending me a friend saying that email nature say this is the details of the application that I've sent. I'm now left with going for the appointment date also.
Na no now they are trauma still almost is not enough.
I'm saying you proof.
Okay, la cha simpacho ye nua be me advice be near the man.
Yo, me pacho why no ye wa de no ma o.
Why na your application ma o?
Yeah, me lawyer.
Because obi national. Okay, or say ono ano ye lawyer.
Yeah, well, I mean, because now, okay, what me generate share code?
Me repeat am. Last makasa.
Because I will me generate share code ana.
What to me generate share code?
Oh, yes, me to me generate share code.
Also to me generate share code.
Na because o generate aden na eba.
So we generate ya aden na eba.
Me application me check here because me last time I check here na ma me say me application I my residence and ended 14th of October.
Enti sisi a u generate a share code name ba.
Me try cross me generate because application na my.
Okay, la Charles nti onye ye.
Yo, na kacha ne say sanka wa check it. Among employer ni bisa ya no. and or check here. And that's still an issue or then we resolve issue. At the moment, he hasn't even attempted to resolve the issue.
Ain't no yeah, lawyer na can say try share, go and try attempt it to generate it.
Now
Into generate ebema information ebema no and na betumi gina obegina so now there na we why?
Proof of application.
No, sir, sisia no wo say employer no ne odi akoma ne nyina no mo nte ase. Nti lawyer ka say what try say o generate share code na na. And also try. Nti I think say o try results ebema wo ho no you can base on it to either go forward or to go to the home office for and I say can I say employer no na wetumi resolve sa issue no.
Now, but your lawyer need say me complete me biometrics na and maybe I mean a full home office acknowledgement email.
Okay, Nia, who can say, "Oh, see, on Jane, this say, what about you try it?" Says, "Oh, try doesn't take long. Why don't you try it and call back?"
Now let's help him out this way. And at the moment, on born in Sunny, right?
Debbie.
On born in Sunny, but on an application before I didn't expire.
Yes, or say best expire October.
And your best October, Uncle yes, Uncle share code, and then no from come employer no. It will show us another October. We are in September, so the employer cannot dismiss him.
Okay.
Now, one country employer and say, even though it has not expired yet, I have made an application. Not on the application reference number amano. Sanka employer so we can then tell the employer that you have a duty to check yourself. Go through the employer checking system to find out. But employer can so uncle fee. The employer can say, are they asking say uncle fee and say then no moka.
Employer and so mama me 1 week. My first proof na ma.
Proof
say why extending application no. Say why your application.
The visa hasn't expired, so it doesn't really matter whether you have applied or not. Into share code, never come on. Like I tell you, my visa hasn't expired. And the law says that if my visa has not expired, I can still work. In my case, I have even applied. So I have gone ahead to apply before. So the law says that you, my employer, go to the home office and find out whether I am telling the truth or not. Then leave them. If they say go home, you take them on. They can't ask you to go home. Normally, my clients will come to me and I will call the employer. They will call the employer and I will tell the employer, this is what you have to do. You are not doing your job, so don't put the blame on my client. Then they will give up. That's why I was asking who did the application.
But what you say? Say true. Echiwa ko hu omo why nkrofo gina line echi nti ma me pick some why.
No problem. Okay, bye bye.
Thank you. Bye. Yeah, well, number and the 892980. Patrick Asayetio. One mute too, ain't ye mute no?
Hello.
Yeah, hello, good morning.
Good morning. Hi, ma'am. Me person say me kuno wa UK. Me person join no.
O kasa free Ghana. Uknu wo UK ha. E na opese obe join. Mpacho wa ona ma ye 5068 chat on Tobo me ba wa me ma wa kasa me pacho. Okay. Na uknu no de nkrata no kita.
Oh, British citizen.
E na opese obe join nti ubi sa kwan obefa so obe join na na.
No ka ho bi. E na afi me wo matu Benjamin na wo ye. Metimi de o ma ba. And I say like Ninja Morgana na echi ma ba be fa wo.
Okay, la Charles mpacho wadaroma.
Yo, so uknu wo UK
now opese so na we tie na free phone mo why?
Me ba show you.
Okay.
So uknu wo UK na opese UK now person will join in one. Emrane say, as I say, we prove say more worry. As I say, we prove say one no more relationship no a genuine and you fake. As I say, we prove say our no a coso. More bibi I just say mutibo. Even though no agriculture or befia on China or tea and as a muti fako. Say, nyama ben or ye boao or boao. Akọhoma na so ma osika odi trade ane a yefa no money transfer money di kita ho e wo phone so ana because ono ni ho nti we dey na money di nkomo a mo di keep aware no to be prove we nyina wo kwa English test enya A1 eno no ehia pa so kuta degree di a wetumi akwaya degree assessment na eno no dan we na wa avoid the exams no to which me qualify ni no so be man so ye adwuma onya 29,000 before tax to which me improve ni na wi a wo question is make me de me ma aba na nkwala no ye be man abanoma nkwala no papa won
Me or the phone it too, so into no
oh
to
right,
me
no problem
but definitely papa be Ghana and I
nkwala
say
no papa
Omaka
important
baby.
nkwala no papa wo Ghana there's something called soul responsibility about day then just say papa na you useless nti one na we bibia who make you all the decision nti me asama a wode abɛi deɛ yɛbɛtumi aka no bɛyɛ 3 hours yɛntumi mma wo quick fix solution nti sɛ wohia mmɔ a ɛsɛ sɛ wofrɛ na wogye consultation na yɛhu nneɛma a wode bɛpuruvu nyɛ saa fam wo bra woba wie a na woatu anammɔn ahwɛ kwan a wɔfa no why it's easier that way
Enti megye di sɛ otie ɛwɔ phone mu nti no ɔbɛnsɛ question bi still a ɛwɔ wadwom sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ obisa ka ho a akwanya wɔ hɔ yɛwɔ ha obetumi ebisa yo mpatwa wa wo nama ɛne 5068 no edu so mpatwa kasa free Mr. Papa ma picky call no hello Bacha wow nama and the 5068 no wona me no kasa. Hey Lord. Kasa wo phone ni mo ma me wa nye TV ni mo.
So me kasa from Manchester.
Yo yetio papa. Papa, unim dum majo so ba dum TV na na se lower TV ni voice kra na tie wo phone ni mo mami why?
No kra. Okay. TV no kra.
Okay, afede yetio.
No. Yeah, last week me no pasai.
Okay.
And English. Na and me offer see me one say na me bisa last week.
Okay.
Na me say bisa.
Okay, bisa me kai question no, Mr.
Yo, me bisa say what is COS in be na buy. Na what they buy no. Oba na what they buy. What they ma aye dey abeti.
Okay.
I'm man 2 months. Na 2 months no. E wu ye no. Let be aji says also aji 6 months ya no. 6 months no. Up to now be home office in Chirono. And do want me who say Dana or call lawyer no 6 months in a beginning na say she's a home office for SN letter. I don't know who say 6 months no magiatu.
Okay. Send your application the kwa near minim say application bia obeya akono. Onya di tu muano. Near yana etaiba is possible near taba ne say home office be acknowledge say omwehu anaso omanhu say why saa application na obeti omonka biom. Saa den de minim say dodo na unless lawyer Charles there is something different about this one. Say any application obe submit bia no obenya acknowledgement say mehu anase yate say why saa application enti yebema obre na yahwem say ye be refuse say ye refuse na ye nka no ho a ye kọ ekohwem nanso benya acknowledgement letter analo Charles enti sa
yo I mean I don't know online and maybe I knew where Eshen was say or more acknowledge because una would we submit here into automatically no submission notice eba. Say payment successful. Your application has been submitted. This is to confirm that as of this date, you have paid and submitted application.
Okay.
And then acknowledgement, automatic.
Okay.
Into a for can say a paper based, so they have to reply.
Okay.
At this time, no, online, automatic, instantly you know say because we know
okay.
That confirmation who say application is no what date of application and time of application and a reference number.
Right.
And you or 6 months, you know, can present business 6 months banner or patch, and that's 6 months.
Or see lawyer no say why year extension 6 months the amano and no maintain that he asked last week.
That's the problem. A lot of my colleague lawyers, Equity Emma and Crawford. There's nothing called 6 months extension visa, but there's something called fee waiver application. Fee waiver application we are a way on make a decision. Say the waiver number one, I say farmer. Time I will try waiver no a break.
Yeah, but Charles, where they're sorry, mean try no. Question Obisa no has got nothing to do with fee waiver. Or say or your school worker. And I am money 2 months, 60 days to leave the country. Into kohun lawyer. Na lawyer ne say why application be at their money extending that 2 months to 6 months. Sana oka na omonte hwe free home office say omo agi 6 months na atum ana say omonji ntum ntenu no gina so a obisa say etisen papa anya sa na ete papa utie me papa anya sa na ete
Now there's nothing like that. A story and Crawford eka ejuju Crawford akuma. There's nothing like that. So I'm telling you what it is.
Okay.
Obi bano because say, oh, me was 60 days me per employer. You can put your alternative application. Our application could be family life application. Family life application be a nipa started with fee waiver.
Okay.
Because what we year before application visa be you are within. I don't just say they extended for 6 months because there's nothing called extension application.
Okay.
There's nothing anywhere in the rules.
Right.
But there's something that when you apply, it may take time. It can take 6 months. It can take 4 months. It can take even 1 year. And then that lawyers need be. I imagine say, and there say to me take 6 months before I decided. I don't know that. So 6 months, and I say 1 month, and then 2 months, and but to me they are trained baby.
Baby, okay.
So
mbia na ono wanti as yesa mbia na nchimo wanti as yesa
I'm expect visa. Meanwhile, lawyer also expect something else.
So nti papa say utie mi a me hu say u da so tie wo radio na na say TV ne so nti no time no elapse ma nti no utie a utie a yeah my lawyer ne nchechemu adekodi a wa ye application na or twen say mbia within 6 months no obeti omonka no na ono nchechemu ye emfama why pachawate still utie yemre ya bi utie free we ni monte no yenko yenim yemre na ya bi me one question bi wa ha na afa me ma lawyer Annie emfa samre ni embreye ye wo fat papi or say good morning please can I ask the lawyer about what will happen if the date for your decision has not been met on the agreed date? Thank you. Decision, may who decision I believe say lawyer Asma betting a question. I say lawyer Asma, Pacha Otinia or can I say?
I say what happens when a decision is not made on an agreed date? What is the agreed date?
No, na me
Home office will not agree a date, but there's a standard time.
Okay.
Maybe that's what the person is referring to. The standard time.
I'm also guessing. Say, Mbia, or can I say, Yamausa 60 days, no? Now why application in the court? Now application results now say decision no by now 60 days now so what will happen? So I'm guessing so we application
Right.
they say cancel 60 days,
Yes, so your application there, you put in a new application before the
application
60 days
60 days.
expire. You are okay.
And yes, no decision in by yes, 60 days in
Decision
there.
by yeah,
That's
yeah,
not valid
decision by
anymore.
yeah, you
Uh-huh.
have you have extended or you have reapplied, so you are okay. Decision
Okay.
will determine your new status.
Status no I hope say me guess near right. And at the last one, I see good morning, please. What about those of us who did extension after 2 months? Who did extension after 2 months? After 2 months, he said, would adiane expire and say extension? I say expire there. I say you want to be extension. And he said, oh yeah, before the 2 months, Nadia, and then the decision will come. Let's just say it's just like the first explanation. Entertainment
Now,
vibes. Yeah.
now let me point out something here because we come here to educate and to clear doubt.
Yes.
There's nothing called extension.
Okay.
Akwaye say akwaye new emrebi akoshe immigration rule no mu. But there's nothing like that.
Extension.
If
Okay.
you're taking an extension, you
Mm-hmm.
are extending your visa. Yama with 60 days. So how will you extend it?
You can extend your
Only
60 days.
switch,
Okay.
you can only switch or find a new employer
To
and switch to
employ
a
you.
new employer. You cannot extend. But
Okay.
nyai nimpa and ya coiny bibi say, oh,
Yeah,
and
that's
you need more time. But there's nothing called extension application.
Yeah,
So
yes,
let's clear our mind. Say, yeah, you go lawyer because just say me yeah extension application. I want business application ben a wo and your
your friend
family life
extension.
application as a private life application. And now also say, oh yeah, new skilled worker visa application. Not here say because a basa create confusion
Our
between
system.
us our system no mu. Ebi na obi business and term extension or no term visa. Meanwhile, be cry na visa be a emfi baby amma o.
Mbia na te sɛ bi nso ana yɛnte aseɛ no ɛna ɛyɛ ana yɛntumi enya no pɛ nti no nti over na ahwɛfo mɛma lawyer ani akofie so a ɛde English aspect version no ɛde abrɛ yɛn na afei deɛ yɛn nso yɛakyekyɛ ama yɛn nuanom a ɔmo nte yɛn kasa no nti lawyer ani mpatwɛ wɔ hɔ a mɛma akɔ aba ɛbɛ dwumadie no so.
Yes, good morning, and good morning to all our viewers and listeners, and happy Friday to you all. So, today I'll be providing a very short summary as time is fast spent. So, the topic for today was switching or extending your visa under the care skilled worker route. We looked at the rules, the procedure, and the potential consequence. So, as we know, when it comes to skilled workers, there are many types of skilled workers. We have teachers, engineers, etc. While we specifically looked at care workers today, and the relevant SOC codes are 6135, which is for general carers, and then 6136, which is for senior carers. So when it comes to extending your leave, let's say the applicant is currently a skilled worker and their visa is about to expire and they have a new COS, then extending your leave, there shouldn't be much of a problem. However, when it comes to switching, especially if you were, let's say, a teacher and then you want to switch to become a care worker, in that case, the rules have become a bit more stringent. So a procedure has to be followed. So the first, it's like a tick box exercise, as Lawyer Charles said. So firstly, the applicant must have worked with their employer for 3 months. That is the first requirement that has to be met. They must have worked with their employer for 3 months. They must, number 2, have a COS. And number 3, they must have submitted the application before the 22nd of July 2025. And the last requirement that has to be met is that the employer must have given priority to those who are in the pool. So there's a pool of people who are either unemployed or they have been given 60 days or they are stranded, the care workers, the institutions, they must give priority to those people first in terms of giving COS to them. So all of these requirements have to be met when it comes to switching. And to provide an example, again, sticking with the teacher, if the teacher, or let's say a student rather, they completed their studies, they started working with an employer since, let's say, April 2025, and they worked with the employer in April, May, June, that's fine. However, if they were given the COS on, let's say, the 23rd of July 2025, and they submit the application on that day, the application will be refused because the application wasn't submitted on the relevant date, which is the 22nd of July 2025. Or even an application can also be refused if the employer did not follow the procedure in, for example, that they didn't consider the people in the pool first. So the consequence in that case is that the application, would be refused. So that's just a quick summary for today. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.
Thank you to Lawyer Annie. I do a tea for ne ahwefo Hannah. Emre my ho kwan na yɛde adwumadie no aba. One Samantha was saying, you know, they speak English. Oh, Samantha, I'm sorry. We after the program we summarize everything in the English language, so that's what we've just done, and we can just put that one across board for you to also benefit from what we learned today. So it's not a problem at all. You can saying it's here for aha na yedi dwumadie no ebebe wie na megidi say wenya uchefa ewom na onya ya ochena nso ye be extending yeah you can say make a extension my kind lawyer Charles I said there is nothing like extension visa and yen sharing so whenever you are doing a visa application, know the type of visa you are doing. There is nothing like 6 months extension visa. There is nothing like that in terms of immigration, education. And yes. Last man, you be come weekend. You be trying home patch then I'll be dying.
Yo, etiefoɔ ne ahwɛfoɔ yɛgye di sɛ ɛndɛ eduro a yɛde baeɛ no agye ebi mu. Na nea yɛka nyinaa ne sɛ moma yɛnhwɛ ne yie because sɛ wayɛ stranded anasɛ wayɛ desperate na wonya COS ɛndɛ na wokɔyɛ application na woanhwɛ sɛ employer no koraa no offollow process no anasɛ wo no follow process na wode kɔto mu a ɛbɛyɛ wo dɛ sɛ wonya COS ɛbɛyɛ wo dɛ sɛ wadeɛ no bɛwu ɛndɛ nti wode application ato mu ɛndɛ under care bɛyɛ bɛrefuse because mmara no wakyea no ɛna wode yɛ wɔ application nti moma yɛnhyɛ ɛwɔ no ɛnso na yɛka nyinaa no nso sɛ wonti biribi ase a yɛsrɛ bɔ mmɔden na ho lawyer na lawyer ntumi mbebie nyɔma ani nkyerɛ wo ama woyɛ a woyɛ confidence sɛ nea woyɛ no mmara no nie process no nie na nsunsuanso a ɛbɛba no ɛno nie ɛba saa you are happy knowing sɛ nea wayɛ no outcome no bɛboa wo anasɛ ɛmboa wo na wehu na wada wo ho nso so ɛyie enti etiefoɔ ne ahwɛfoɔ ɛha ɛna yɛde ebesi yɛda.
Oh, voice Nicole, intino. Tifo na hwefo mu timenka. Yes, thank you so much, Lawyer Asma. Thank you. Nyame admoch na the community and the law baso na me gidi say the topic that will be treated now so much beneficial to a whole lot of people. Make a date with us tomorrow at 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock. That's 2 solid hours we're going to use for this particular program. Make a date na join here. Na yɛde adwumadi abɛwie megye say w'ani agye w'ani asɔ w'anya wo kyɛfa wɔ mu whatever it is no akyea bebree nanso no ɛnyɛ kotopɔ it's not yet broken, so there is still hope out there. There are things that you can do. There are, I believe, 1 or 2 things that is in the system that definitely can, we say, let me just put it that way. Make a date with us next week, same time, same place. Until then, have a lovely weekend. Midiane Manyeti. Bye-bye.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner, with over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.